Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, let's start with the internet connection. I highly recommend to have the Wi-Fi connection and then we can enter the Play Store. If you do not have the Google account added to the device, you will have to either log in or sign in. And then you can tap on this circle, which is your account. Of course, without the account, you will not be able to use the Google Play Store. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 32 updates. So of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just find those which you want to download and mark. I will pick the Google Chrome. I will choose the Google Chrome. Let's mark it and maybe Google Keep. After marking the apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will download the update, and after that it will be immediately and successfully installed, so you do not have to do anything more, just wait. Of course, you can turn off the Google Play Store and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.